So not too long ago, I was asked a question. Why? Why do you do it? Why do you prefer to spend all your time out in the woods? And at the time, I really wasn't able to answer the question. Not because I didn't know why, but because I'm not good with putting feelings into words. A short time later, I ran across this quote that kind of sums it up. This is that quote. Then one day, just like that, we close our eyes for the very last time. And that will be it. Game over. And there's a pretty good chance there's nothing after that until judgment. No do-overs, no second chances, just nothing. You cease to be. Now imagine you knew it was coming and you had a few minutes before you closed your eyes. Do you think you'd look back happy you spent years at a job that you hated? Or that you stayed in an environment that you knew that wasn't right for you? Or that you didn't travel to that place you always wanted to go because saving a few dollars was a sensible thing to do at the time? Do you really think you're going to look back proud at that grudge you held for so long, now with no way to make it right? Or that you were too busy to answer your parents' call, or too afraid to tell that one person how you truly felt? Do you think you're going to look back happy knowing you never chased your dream because you were just too scared? You only have one shot at this life, but yet we're too scared to really live it. The mathematical odds of you being born are astronomical, but the odds of your death are certain. But yet we insist on treating life like it's a certainty, like tomorrow will always come, right? But what if it doesn't? So what I'm trying to say is time is short. Time is the most precious commodity that you have. Make sure you don't waste it on things that don't bring you peace, joy, and happiness. Hey, good morning guys, it's Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood, and I am actually filming y'all on my phone today because it's so cold, none of my cameras work. The drone didn't want to fly. The tablet for the drone cut off when I finally got it to fly, heated the batteries up, got to fly for a few minutes, and doggone tablet just, full charge. Said, I'm tired, boss, ain't doing it. So, was able to recover the drone, got it to come back. But yeah, I'm using my phone for this, our intro, because I don't want to fight with the cameras. Phones seem to work, so. But today, we are going to run, I'm not sure what trail. I don't think anybody wants to really do day 4. None of y'all want to do day 4, right? No.
Well, my wife's driving, we'll have to go ask her.
I want to do day 4, but we're leaving Bub's Cabin Union Schoolhouse.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, and where y'all going?
I guess we're going to do, I don't know, because my people that's coming with me, but some didn't show up. So, I don't know. Probably Hidden Chimney. We'll probably do it.
All right, so we're gonna just sit around and get at about 8:30 or so. We're just gonna have a driver's meeting and see where everybody wants to go, because I don't know that anybody here really wants to mess with day 4, so we might not be doing it. We might just jump in with somebody else. The wife's never done Frog Bayou, and she's done Schoolhouse. They're doing the Schoolhouse, or the Schoolhouse. She's done that one, Bub's Cabin. So we might do Frog Bayou then. Might check it out. We got a nice little turnout here. I think 20, 25 rigs or so that showed up. So it's gonna be a good time, I think. Well, but I am fixing to go cook some quick breakfast, get ready, and so we can head out of here so nobody's waiting on us. So I will see y'all here in a bit. I'll bring you back for the driver's meeting.
This is what you get when it's free. This is what you get when it's free. So thanks everybody for coming out. I appreciate y'all coming out and hang out for our first trial event. Anyway, this is the first start that we're doing this year for all of our events, the Frosty Fenders and Campfire Vendors, and then we got Bourbon on the Buffalo coming up. You guys will see all that once everything gets done. It's really cold. We're going to have a real fast driver team. So We're gonna go to Frog Bayou, it's one trail. We're gonna go to Union Schoolhouse, Bub's Cabin is another trail. And then I don't know what the name of the trail that David we did for off of, we swapped out day 4 for that. So a quick question for everybody. If you want to do the harder section of the trails and you want to do a harder one, raise your hand and come over here by David. Anybody want to do like the hard climb? It's not crazy hard. It's not. Where's Sean? Get over here, Sean.
And then there were 4. We got 4.
It's like 2 whiskeys in.
Yeah, it's like it's not super crazy. Gordon, you're going for it, Gordon.
If you had at least 2 shots of whiskey, you'll be fine.
All right.
I don't have anything to wear down.
And I guess that leaves everybody else going to Frog Bayou.
Yeah.
Do you want to do? I don't know. Or do you want to do both?
Go do that one. This one, this is harder. That one's easier. So are we good? Everybody knows what they're gonna do?
That one.
This is the easier one over here. This is the safer end of the trail.
The Union Schoolhouse is pretty cool. You
If you get down the trails early, if you guys, I know you guys will probably finish before some of the other ones do. Feel free to hook up and go do whatever you want to do today. Be back at camp at 5 o'clock for the potluck.
Yes, Dad.
No, curfew's 5. And since we had some people that couldn't make it today because of illness and vehicles, everybody's just going to get a ticket tonight for the drawing, so everybody's in the drawing no matter what.
Does anybody have anything medical that we need to worry about? EpiPens, pills you need, heart attacks?
ADHD.
I get
Also, don't forget your helmets if you are the helmet wearing type. Or crayons to get hungry.
If you're a Marine, crayons. Right there.
Get your box of trail snacks.
I will say this, since Jamie's not here, we probably don't have to talk about this, but when we're on the radios and we're doing obstacles or anything like that, please keep the chatter to a minimum. Don't be telling your family jokes. Don't be doing that. Whoever's leading your trail, pay attention to them. Tail gunners,
What
going
if
to be
it's really
rocking
funny?
information back and forth. So, but feel free to talk on the radios, but when you get to a spot, keep it to a minimum. You know, we don't need dad jokes during that time. All right, guys. I guess if we're going to finish packing up, we're going to roll out. Everybody have a safe day. Get with your guides, and then figure out what channels you're going to run on, and then go from there. Thank you all for showing up.
So another
Just for warning.
Hi guys, we just left the park. We're headed up to our trail, and I don't know the name of this trail exactly, 100%, but it's the trail me and the wife ran last year that she in her Jeep, and she had a really good time. She is so ecstatic, you can't even imagine. She's just, oh man, looking forward to it. No, it's a good trail.
It's not my favorite.
Yeah, it's a pretty good trail. It's pretty rough. There's a little technical stuff, nothing crazy. The hill climbs are going to be fun because we're running backwards from the way we did it last time. So, but all right, so I'll bring you guys back for the trail.
and cold. Guys, whoever said making YouTube videos isn't work, right here is prime example. It's not always smoke and mirrors.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe.
Yeah, yeah. It looked cool going over my head though.
Yeah.
That's the star.
Are you lowering the camera or something?
All right.
Shouldn't you put it higher?
Oompa, oompa, oompa dee dee. If you're smart, you will listen to me. What do you get when you gobble up sweets? Eating as much as an elephant eats.
That's great. You have to learn that when you're short.
It's really hard to be good folks, good food, and good times. Now, I understand this isn't for everyone, and I get that. But for those of you that feel that calling, that get out and do, that I need more than just sitting home and watching TV, I highly recommend it. So come on out and join us. Our trips are usually free. And I only say usually because, for example, Frosty Fenders was held at Birds Off-Road Park, and we had to pay for our campsites. But when we go out to the Ozarks or the Ouachitas, it doesn't cost a dime. Just bring your rig, bring your food and water, and a positive attitude. If you want to join us on the trails, you can. If you want to sit and camp and relax, you can. Or if you want to go off and do your own thing, you can do that too. This time is about you and whatever you need to do to take the weight of the world off your shoulders for a short time. I want to say thank you for all that watch and support the channel. It's been a wonderful and wild ride. I've met tons of new people, and it's just been a blast, and I really, really do appreciate it. So until next time, guys, I want to say thank you, Semper Fi, and God bless.